Philippines has a great history according to our geography. Manila is the capital city, docking point from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Calaucan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batanes, Sapari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan, Batle, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern zone, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we had 3 more, island more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, and to Visayan Shore, Bongos, sugar, coconut, and corn. Ay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Cebu, Mactan, Mandaue. Ay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Bull, Samar, Leyte. Ay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Iloilo, Capisaclan, Antique. Palawan, Negros, Bacolod. Siquijordo, Maguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao. Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambaao, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Misamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao. Davao Sur, Oriental, the Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulu, Tawi, Tawi. Ay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Philippines is a great history. Ay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Manila is the capital city. Ay, yeah, yeah, yeah. All tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful